like to give a special thanks to Star Stable for teaming up with us and sponsoring this video. What's up, y'all? I'm Toya, also known as Sophia Frogsong, and today we are playing Star Stable Online, a multiplayer game filled with horses, adventure, and friendship. Exploring the map is one of my favorite things to do. I love running through the countryside. We can also meet and make friends with other players, people who love horses just as much as I do. And adventure. When getting around Jorvik, we can ride our horses, take a trailer, walk, or run through town, and even take public transportation. Oh look, here it comes. There are also quests where you can help solve problems and mysteries. Doing quests help you to earn reputation with different towns and groups, earn in-game currency, and level up. In Star Stable, we also care for our horses. This is Evening Star. We're just doing a little grooming and feeding, so we're always ready for the next adventure. This game is free to download and play up to level 5. But right now, there is a link in the description box below where you can try out 7 days of being a star rider, plus get a free gift, which unlocks the full game and gives you plenty of time to run around and explore, see the sights, and have a little adventure. Yeah! This is a computer game that has to be downloaded, and it's also available on iOS. To get started, first I register by picking out my character's name. There is a drop-down menu where we can look through a bunch of different names and pick the right one. We can also allow it to be random and let the game pick our name. Then we can pick out our horse's name with, once again, a drop-down menu or a random option. Then it's time to pick out your horse's coat. There are a lot of different options. I like to scroll through them all and see which one speaks to me. We can customize our character by picking out a face, makeup. Ooh, look at all the lip colors. We can select a hairstyle, go long, short, spiky, locks, and we can change the hair color. And the eye color, blue, green, red, purple. Lots of options. Then I click the tab with the shirt on it to select a color. I think I like the blue. We can pick out gloves, lots of colors there. Then let's pick out some pants and boots to finish our look. Then I complete registration, download, and play. Oh yeah, because right now I am headed over to Moorland for a championship race, which has recently been revamped with new improvements, content, rewards, and activities. So I'm gonna go over to Tamika and check in so we can get started. Okay, let me just say I love that there is a practice race because I can totally use the practice. This is going to allow me to become more familiar with the race so that when there is a championship, I am better prepared. My horse will be trained, I'll know where to turn, I'll know where to jump. Oh yeah, loving this. Confession, I'm not the best at races, but I totally love doing them. So practicing is a must for me. Okay, this is the real thing. It's showtime. There are so many people here. Everyone is trying to sign up for the race because we are all competing against each other. A little friendly competition. As you can see, championships are a big deal here in Star Stable. I just signed up with Tamika. Now I just have to stay in this area to compete in the race. Let's walk on over and line up. Races are only available during certain times of the day, and it changes depending on what day it is. The top 3 players get a ribbon, and all players get Jorvik shillings and horse XP. The race is about to start. This is not a drill, folks. Go! And we're off. And it looks like I'm in the front. Yeah! All I have to do now is continue to jump over all these things, stay between the poles, and make sure I pass the green arrows. Piece of cake, y'all. Piece of cake. I'm just joking. I could totally use more practice, but we're actually not doing too bad. I think that was a rock. It's okay. Shake it off, Evening Star. Shake it off. We've got a race to win, or at least place in the top 3, or hopefully the top 10. Honestly, if I just finish, I will be happy. So we're gonna run our best race ever and see what happens. Look at all that cool pink stuff. No, focus. Focus. All right, here we go. We're gonna jump over that. Yes, we did it. Jump over that too. Yes. I know there's a lot of little obstacles in this race because I did practice. Now we already passed the rocks. There should be another one. I can't remember where it was or what it was. What was the other obstacle? Like there's something that might run into my horse. Oh, that's right. Hay. Okay, well, now that we've passed it, all we can do is focus on finishing strong. Let's jump over things, not hurt the horse, and we're gonna keep jumping, going around bales of hay. Yes, we're doing it. We're nearing the finish line. It's right there. Gust of wind for extra boost, and we've done it. And I finished the Moorland Championship. Okay, now let's see, how did we place? Number 10. We're in the top 10. This is totally going to improve my reputation and hopefully unlock exclusive items for purchase. Speaking of shopping, let's head over to the Traveling Bazaar in Moorland. Throughout the 3 weeks of the championship, we can find discounted horses here. Ooh, you're pretty. And so are you. And you. And you. I'm gonna take a quick look around and check out the deals. Ooh, clothing and gear sale. Okay, we'll come back. Let's see what's over there. Treats! Evening Star has worked hard. So let's buy an apple. Just munch on that for a minute while I go and check out the rest of this sale. I do love fashion. Let's walk over to the counter and see everything that is available. Oh yeah, love the boots. Thank you for joining us in Star's Stable while we checked out the newly revamped Moorland Championship. I'm Toya, also known as Sophia Frogsong, and we will see you next time. Bye!